Hello, I'm Stephen LaRochelle. I teach professional development courses in 3D design and printing at Kennebec Valley Community College through our Workforce Training Division. The courses are open to everyone, but the majority of my students are Maine educators, from preschool all the way through to college. Over the past 4 years, I estimate I've worked with 320 educators. This spring, I have 3 cohorts with 57 students total. Sometimes schools or districts will contract with KVCC to create a separate cohort just for them. For instance, one of my current cohorts is for RSU 19. That's Corinna, Dixmont, Etna, Heartland, Newport, Elmira, Plymouth, and St. Albans. Each student receives a new 3D printer. In years past, that printer was a FlashForge Finder, pictured here on the left. The Finder was a great printer in its day. Inexpensive, reliable, easy to use, and easy to maintain. A real workhorse. The printer current students receive is a Bamboo Lab A1 Mini, seen on the right. This printer is a marked improvement over the Finder. It is inexpensive and even easier to use and maintain than the older printer. It prints much faster and at a higher quality. Plus, it has lots of advanced features that the Finder did not have. The next 3 slides are taken from the KVCC Workforce Training webpage. The current title for the course is 3D Printing for Educators. Years ago, it started out as Introduction to 3D Printing, but since most of the students were teachers and tech integrators, it was renamed and content was added specific to educators. The course is online and asynchronous, so students can work at their own pace on their own schedule. I check in several times a day and am available to meet anytime in any form, even in person. The course duration is 3 months. Students can demonstrate proficiency anytime within that time frame. The course is pass-fail, and if passed, will earn a certificate of 15 CEUs. In the course, each student receives a brand new printer which they unbox, set up, and learn how to use. They download pre-made models from online repositories, prepare them in slicing software, and print them. We quickly move to creating original models using free web-based design programs like Tinkercad and SculptGL. Finally, we take a look at a number of examples of how 3D printing has been integrated into the classroom, in all subjects and for all ages. Students leave the course comfortable with designing and printing their own models, and with a plan to integrate these new skills in their own classroom. Currently, the course fee is $950. That includes the printer and 1 spool of filament. Grant funding is available from the Harold Alphonse Center for the Advancement of Maine's Workforce, which will pay for half of the course. Your employer, or you, if you're self-employed, must join the Maine Workforce Development Center. It's free to join. Additional funding is sometimes available from other grant sources, like the Perloff Family Foundation, the Maine Space Grant Consortium, and Educate Maine. I'd like to close with a link to an online clearinghouse of hundreds of examples of how 3D printing is being used in schools across Maine and beyond. Hopefully, this resource will inspire Maine educators to include this engaging technology in their own classrooms.